In this video, I'm going to show you how to filter by debit transactions in Origin Financial. Let's get started. Go to the spending section from the main navigation menu. Then open your full transaction history, where all account activity is listed. This page includes purchases, transfers, deposits, credit charges, and debit transactions from all connected financial accounts. To narrow the list down, look for the filter option near the top of the transaction table and click on it. A filtering panel will appear with several sorting choices. Here, find the amount filter. Click on it, and you should see different options such as all types or all amounts. Select debit transactions so the system only shows purchases and payments made directly from debit-based accounts. Once the debit filter is applied, the transaction list will refresh automatically and remove anything that does not match that selection. This makes it much easier to review ATM withdrawals, debit card spending, bank payments, and other cash-based account activity without scrolling through unrelated transactions. You can also combine this with date filters, category filters, or merchant filters if you need a more specific spending review. This is especially helpful when tracking checking account usage or monitoring direct bank spending habits. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.